Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Okay guys, so on to the next door. We got the driver's door here. This is the one that we need to put the door bottoms on. You guys can see why, so on and so forth. But I've managed to do a pretty good job of getting all this cleaned up to here. I need to kind of get in here, and I need to get into this groove, come around the top. It's pretty nasty. Get all that down through here, and then you guys can see that whole side there. I got to get all that cleaned up, and this. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to set you up so you guys can watch. Ron's continuing his repairs over here, and we'll go over that in a little bit, but that's where we're at. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. I'll show you what we got here. So this is one of the bedsides. I believe this is a passenger side bedside for the 58 Apache. So what I'm doing is trying to figure out what I need to buy as far as the bed goes. I know I need the front panel. I know I need a tailgate. This front panel and the tailgate I do not have. I do have the cross sills. I do have the two bedsides. I know I'm going to need a driver's side fender, rear fender, because the one I have has the spare tire well in it, and I want the regular. So what I'm doing is I'm scraping all this undercoat off. So all this black is undercoating. You see where I've been scraping it off. So really, it's but under that, it's good metal. So I think I have a pretty good bedside here. Now what'll have to happen is definitely bower this, probably sandblast it as well afterwards in some spots. Just there's places I would never be able to get, like up inside of here. But try to dial these in a little bit. So that's what I'm doing here, trying to figure these bed sides out. The other one has holes in it. This one does not. This is the best one, so I'm just kind of starting here. See what I can get it to look like over the next couple days, and there's a lot of work right here. And Ron's still doing the back here. He got this ground down a little bit, and now we got to grind more, but that's the first round of grinding. But what he's doing right now is getting ready to put transmission fluid in the 40 Ford, and we're gonna see if it leaks. That should be fun, and see what happens there. And if it takes the fluid and everything goes well, we should be okay, right? So so that's kind of where we're at. So tranny fluid going into the 40, metal repair on the back of the cab above the window. I got both of the doors completely ready for epoxy as far as getting old paint removed. Still need bodywork, still need patch panels and stuff of that nature, but as far as getting all the paint off, we're there. So now that that's done, I'm moving to this and just trying to make some headway scraping this off. So stay tuned, be back in a minute. We're gonna keep on rocking, guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is passenger side bedside. This is the outer part of it. The fender goes here. This was all undercoating a minute ago, and I just scraped it all up. So the reason for that is when I take my bower over this, the undercoating would just melt basically, and that's a concern. We don't want to have that. So it makes a lot of smoke and it just doesn't do anything. It kind of just gums everything up. So better to scrape it off, get it clear, and then take the bower to it. So that's where we're at on this. Big Ron is adjusting his kickdown cable. We got the fluid in it, no leaks so far. We've had it running, we warmed it up, we did all the things. Put it in neutral, reverse, drive, pulled forward, pulled back, and so far so good. So feeling good about this so far. Still got to take a test drive, but not until he gets that kickdown hooked up. And yeah, and it's gonna storm. Perfect. So that's where we're at, guys. I think I'm gonna wrap this one up here. Start putting everything away. But today, 40 Ford got fixed. Bedside here. Got the undercoating off, got it out of the backyard, and you know, starting to think about what we're gonna do here on the bed. Got all the paint off the doors, both doors. They're ready for primer once we finish up a couple other little things. We got this a lot of this welded up and ground down. Still got more work to do on it, but it's way better. I mean, if you look at this, it's a tank. It doesn't move now. So really happy with that. Started getting prepping areas for bodywork this morning before we decided to do that. And you know, it's a process, right? Lots of things to do. We're getting somewhere. So anyways, guys, hope you're having a great day, great weekend. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe. We'll be back out here tomorrow. I'll be working on this bedside some more. Me and Ron will be working on the back window area and this patch panel here and all that stuff. We'll be getting into all that tomorrow, and a lot more welding and grinding here, and just generally just moving in a direction, right? So he's doing some of the bigger stuff, and I'm just trying to take care of a lot of low-hanging fruit that just takes time, and that's this kind of stuff, right? It sucks, it's not fun, it isn't sexy, but it has to be done. So see where we get. Anyways, guys, have a great night, have a great weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate all of you.